University Amravati. I heartily welcome all of you present here. Today we all have gathered here to wish happy, healthy and relaxed retirement to our respected principal sir, Dr. S.S. Khalpadi sir, who has been the main pillar of this institution. After many years of service and contribution to an institution, finally the time has came to announce their retirement, which is a very difficult task. This moment is both sweet as well as bitter, as we all are unhappy to say goodbye to such a person, but meanwhile we are happy that they would now be able to give more time to them.
स्वभाव हा खूप असा शांत आहे आणि कधी पण हेल्पी नेचर आहे. कसा एक आधार असतो की आपलं काही चुकलं तरी सगळं सांभाळून घेतील आणि एक इन्स्पिरेशन नेहमी देत राहिले. ते तुम्हाला जे वाटेल ते करा. तुमचा पोर्टफोलिओ दिला आहे ना, तुम्ही इंडिपेंडंट आहे, तुम्ही तसा पोर्टफोलिओ करायचा, हँडल करायचा आणि काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर माझ्याकडे यायचं आणि त्याचं सोल्युशन आपण काढू. हा एक जबाबदारी आणि एक कसं भीती न भीती असलेलं पण एक सपोर्ट असलेला माणूस असा मला.
That photo, there is my batch of 2004. My batchmate Lalita, me. She is principal of one of the pharmacy college. Then there is Amol, who is associate professor at Government Pharmacy College, Aurangabad. Then there is Aswar sir, who is drug inspector and promoted nowadays. Then both of them, that is Vishal and they are in a Matrix and other McLeod's company. So this was our first batch. Now I will start through this speech on the symbolic and send-off ceremony of our beloved principal, Khalpadi sir at GCOPA. On the behalf of all of you and with permission of my colleagues, I present few words. That this is actually the situation with the tearful eyes and the heavy heart. I stand here on this dais to bid the farewell to the person who has been the main pillar of this institution. Golpade madam has rightly said that he has contributed a lot in many ways, and what leader can do that can be seen through our reflections also, our students' reflections also, and through our tradition of a GCOPA also. It is the day that comes in everyone's life who is a government employee, and it leads to the another new beginning also. But being a M.Pharm student of a first batch, being first PhD student of this college, then first contract lecturer of this college, and spending about 20 years, means in August 2004 I have joined this college and now it is 2024. So there are so many things I want to share, I want to tell, but with few of the words with the time permits. So दिवसामागून दिवस फिरले, अनेक वर्ष सहज सरले. दिवस उजाडला निरोपाचा, आता सारे काही आठवणी पुरे. बांधून घेऊ जगलेले क्षण सारे गोड मनाशी. कंठ दाटून येतो आणि स्मृतीच्या दर्पणात हलकेच डोकावतो. GCOPA is a great team. Means I am seeing that Faruqi sir, Patil sir, you can see many of them. दबाले सर, देवकते सर, राजूरकर सर, अस्वार सर, श्वेता, मोदानी मैडम, घोरपड़े मैडम, तोरवणे सर, तापुरे सर, लाले सर, राठोड सर, many of means from the Aurangabad, Shai madam, Naule sir, many of them, Karad, they join here, Nagula madam or Sarde sir and other members like Osmani sir also was there. Then Burade sir was there. Puranik sir is in a photo also, he was also there. He's professor in Nagpur department. Then Kuchekar sir was there. So many, all we together as a team, and sir has given his time, energy, talent, so that to ensure the brightest future possible, whatever the resources we have, he has taught us in such a way that whatever the resources you have to be always grateful that, and you have to make the brightest thing from that. Either student, either teacher, or whoever you are, teaching, non-teaching staff, office staff, you have to do your best and you have to contribute to the student future, your own future, and thus through the government of Maharashtra, DT, or then the obvious it goes to the nation. And it's worth recalling all these years for 22 years of a service of you, sir, which especially GCOPA has gone far-reaching reforms and needed supplementary efforts for its constructions. Your insight and your spirit of tolerance that GCOP faced the problems with the human resources, then your sense of discriminant led you to detect among those with the good predispositions, which you successfully channeled into the modest but efficient team of the various teachers, especially initially it was on the basis of contract, or that is called as Hangami and like that. Then your special role in building GCOP Amravati brick by brick through the years of bureaucratic struggle. It is not easy. We now in system, and we can see that if we are dreaming of anything for the college, how we have to struggle, and how sir has got this place, land, then building constructions, and there are so many efforts for that. Even 2 awards owned by the building, not only the new building or wall compound and each and every laboratory as well as teaching staff room, well furnished rooms, laboratories, then pharmacy history and professional displays that you can see, which attracts to the visitors. And it is not the external building structure, it is also about creating the new opportunities to the students, like the MPharm subjects in pharmacognosy and quality assurance. We are dreaming of 2-3 more subjects in last 2-3 years, but still we are not able to plan it successfully due to the other hurdles and then changing in the procedures and norms. Then PharmD course, sir was so positive about this course. Till date, he always tells that future will be of the prescription writing pharmacist, clinical pharmacist. Always his words are there, and this is the situation. You can see that after COVID, we are in need of such healthcare, and PharmD is playing a role, and reforms through the NEP will be also towards the clinical pharmacist more. Then sophisticated instrument facility laboratory, which was now again back in, means it is coming back in working conditions, but it is still there, and it was that time it was the Vidarbha's very appreciated laboratory. Along with the efforts, academics, means each and every practical lecture should be as per timetable. Sir has taken own self, or means he has taken regular feedback so that everything should be smooth. बऱ्याच वेळा तुम्हाला असं वाटतं की ही शाळा आहे, पण ही शाळा तुम्हाला कशी, म्हणजे कशा चांगल्या पद्धतीने घडवेल हे कदाचित तुम्हाला त्या 4 वर्षांनंतर किंवा 6 वर्षांनंतर किंवा एमफार्मच्या 2 वर्षांनंतर कळेल. आणि when I go through the Google survey, some YouTube videos, due to the craze of the YouTube, there are so many videos that are claiming that our college is top 1 in academics in Maharashtra, and as well as it is top 10 in all the other facilities and student development. You always have given the freedom not only to the students but teaching and non-teaching staff, which has rightly mentioned by the Gorpade madam that yes, we have got the freedom so that we are able to work, because leader plays the role, very big role. Sir, dilution of work, or while being administrator, how you are handling the people working under you, that creates a lot of change in the institute development, and that sir has rightly did it. अलिप्त तेच महत्व आगळे, अन्यथा न समजेल जगे हे सगळे. बदल हवेत सतत वेगवेगळे, तरच करतील हंस आणि बगळे. In these all years, he has given nothing but the best in everything. He was equally popular among the higher officials as well as team members because of his endeavor. Means whenever I visit either RO office or university or BMB, engineering office, polytechnic, even TT office, whenever I go, I feel that I feel proud that I am the student of Khadbadi sir. Means I have never got any issues. His name is always there. No one ever hesitated to enter his room. He was always available for anyone who needed with his help, and he has opened with the new ideas. In MPharm studies, always he has asked such a questions that the thing that I have rightly in MPharm as well as in PhD, that's why I am able to contribute something to my subject. If suppose contractor test is there, then how that H2SO4 or ferric chloride, how they are working on the particular chemical structure, how it is breaking, why it is giving that color only, not other color. There are so many. This is just the example, but he has asked so many questions in my research as well as routine academics. Even he has visited. I remember every time when I took the practical in a laboratory lectures. Even Gorpade madam was an academic in charge. She has also visited. They have guided us that how to take the lecture, how we have to take the practicals, how we have to give the knowledge through the experiential learning to the students. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं हे की निर्मळ विनोद बुद्धी हे देवाच्या देण्यातले एक ठेवणीचे देणे जे तुम्हाला लाभले आहे सर. मत्सर, पूर्वग्रह, क्षुद्रता, वैयक्तिक हेवे दावे असल्या संकुचित आणि स्वतःलाच दुःखी करणाऱ्या भावनांपासून ह्या देण्यामुळे तुम्ही नेहमीच दूर राहिलात. आणि म्हणूनच निर्मळ विनोदाचा उपयोग जेव्हा शस्त्र म्हणून करायचा तेव्हा व्यक्तीचा द्वेष न करता वृत्तीतला दोष दाखवणे हे मुख्य कर्तव्य तुम्ही कायम केले. आणि जेव्हा व्यक्तिद्वेष नसतो तेव्हाच निर्भयता येते. इष्ट आणि स्पष्ट बोलण्याची उमग आणि स्पष्टपणाची सभ्य सीमारेषा कुठली त्याचे तारतम्य मी नेहमी तुमच्यात बघितले आहे सर. प्राचार्य म्हणून तुमचे सामर्थ्य मोठे, ते पण 2000 सालापासून तुम्ही प्राचार्य आहात सर. म्हणजे 4 गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेज किंवा कुठल्याही गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेजचं कुणीही विचारावं आणि सरांचं नाव घ्यावं हे सामर्थ्य फार मोठं. पण सामर्थ्य जितके मोठे तितके ते किती बेताने वापरावे याची जबाबदारीही मोठी. स्तुतीचा वा देखील योग्य वेळी आणि योग्य ठिकाणी पडावा. भलत्या ठिकाणी वा पडल्यावर नर देखील वानर होण्याची भीती असते हे तुम्ही फार आधीपासून ओळखून होतात आणि त्यामुळेच ते सामर्थ्य तुम्ही उत्कृष्टपणे केलेले आहे सर. प्रत्येक पदावरून पदाला साजेसे काम होणे अपेक्षित असते आणि बऱ्याच लोकांना हेच गमक उमगत नाही. कुणालाही कधीही मी ओरडून बोलताना बघितले नाही किंवा काम करताना नावाचा जिव्हाळा सरांनी दाखवलेला नाही, तो त्यांनी जपला सुद्धा आहे. स्वच्छता, पर्यावरण आवड, ऊर्जा बचत हे त्यांनी फक्त बोलून दाखवले नाही. मी कधीच ते नसताना त्यांच्या कॅबिनमध्ये लाईट फॅन सुरू आहे बघितलं नाही. किंवा प्लांटेशन कसे करायचे, ऑल द सीड्स फ्रॉम होम मीन्स मॅडम माइट बी knowing that he used to collect and plant it here and he has created that much energy in all of us also that to go for a plantation and it is really the need of our healthy diet. Juice means he has a very good juice club means it is not called as a but it is a group and that shares with them and that he follows in a club also government club that there is he has to get the plantation. Then there is a lot we have learned sir, but still we will learn and we will follow your footsteps to do our best to promote the growth and to uphold your legacy. As a PhD guide you have guided me, Paviskar sir and many students. You have teaches us a life lesson. You have molded our future. You have something focused with the sharp stick called the truth. You have inspired us to dream and to work to reach your help to fulfill our potential and we are thankful to that. आमच्या आयुष्याचं झाड हे नेहमीच फुललेलं राहील याची मला खात्री आहे, कारण त्याचं बी तुम्ही पेरलेलं आहे आणि या झाडाला तुम्ही मोठं केलेलं आहे. चुका झाल्यावर कान पकडले पण आयुष्याची नवी दिशा दाखवण्याचे तुम्ही तत्पर राहिले. तुमच्यासारखा गुरु मिळणं हे तर भाग्यच, पण प्रत्येक गुरु कधी ना कधी निवृत्त होत असतो आणि त्यांनी दिलेली शिकवण आणि वारसा प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यासह कायम जपला जातो. You have been a great source of inspiration to the students, colleagues, non-teaching staff and everyone. We will want to be like you, that is pure, honest, punctual, sincere, calm, down to earth and still dynamic. We will miss your sense of humor, your ability to not lose your head. There were so many situations. Just month before we have gone through the very terrible situation of our family student. Before that also every time, whenever I am able to recall, madam has said that with the girls there were the incidences. But sir has took so calmly that handled that situations. We got a great comfort that yes we can handle it. Because from when we are here, so there is obvious there are certain terms की colleagues में कुछ problems होंगे या teacher students में कुछ problem होंगे या students में कुछ problem होंगे, but everything is राईटली कधीही कुठल्याही प्रकारचा आक्रस्ताळेपणा मला कधीही दिसला नाही आणि ते इतक्या शांततेत करणं म्हणजे इट्स लाईक अ मीन्स गॉड्स गिफ्ट सर. युअर ओपन हार्टेड पर्सनॅलिटी, युअर कॉन्फिडंट नेचर अँड इट दॅट नेचर इज अनप्रिटेन्शियस. फॉर यू दिस मोमेंट इज प्रोशियस. You have to adjust in a new life, in a new land soon. And as the saying goes, much has been done and much will be remain to be done. But we team of GCOPA promise you that we will continue, we will take the benefiting from you, we will use your enormous experience and we will try to make the GCOPA proud ahead also. My heartfelt thanks to the entire family, especially to the spouse, that is a respected Khadpadi ma'am. Since I cannot say in the words that she has took so, she is so caring. Since we have took admission. It's a new land. I'm from Nasik, so Amravati, Vidarbha region. She's also not from here. Still, she has till date, means I have not missed any program or anything. She has took lot of care of everyone. She used to ask if I am meeting her. Still, she will ask of each and every one from the college. She is very very good cook. She cooks very delicious thing. She is MSc Mathematics. Still, she is so down to earth. And she has always supported sir, and it's my, means after 16 years of my own married life, I think that the partner's role plays a lot role in one's development, and madam has played that role very correctly, and the success of sir is due to her only, if I'm not wrong. And in this your hospitality, ma'am, you are all South Indian dishes. Whenever you will visit my home, all the rangoli that I have inspired from madam, that all South Indian rangoli of that I have created at my home. Lastly, I would like to mention about Shailesh Khadbadi, who is the son of Khadbadi sir, who is very talented, owns numbers of trophies. He is very good in sports as well as in studies. He has secured higher percentage in 10, 12. He has completed MBBS, MD in pediatric. His last year is married. Wife is also MBBS MD, but he is also very simple, without any type of proudness that I am the son of the principal of one of the state government college. Not like that. He is very simple, very dynamic, same like that of the sir, very intelligent. On the behalf of the entire GCOP staff, students, wishing you good luck in your life. निरोप नवे हा ओलावा माणुसकीचा, विसरू कसे आम्ही प्रत्येक क्षण तो सौख्याचा. And want to say a few lines. जैसे अभी रमजान के महीना है, तो उस हिसाब से खुदा आपको उरूज ऐसा नसीब करे, क्या अश्क आपके नसीब पर फलक करे, हर मोड़ पर फरिश्ते हो साथ आपके, हर कदम पर हिफाजत आपकी खुदा करे. Best wishes forever sir, and good luck.
ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितां येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ज्ञान रूपी ज्योत से भीतर के तम को समाप्त कर जीवन को प्रकाशित तथा सद्मार्ग पर चलने को प्रेरित करने वाले सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा कोटिशः वंदन. Today is the day to be grateful and express our gratitude to respected Khadbadi sir. Sir, I really thank you for all the years and all the time you dedicated to our college, Government College of Pharmacy, Amravati.
He is so much dedicated towards his work. During our journal club presentation, sir was so focused on our presentation that during each and every slide he started asking us questions that how will you do this, from where will you get that chemical, how will you do your project work with minimum expenses. We are really inspired by sir.
He always motivated us that you are here to learn something and you have a time, so do this and do that. He always told us to show your result, no matter whether they will be compliant with the standard or not, whether it is positive or negative, no matter, just do your work properly.
Good afternoon, respected principal sir, chief guest Dr. Mankar sir, member of faculty, non-teaching staff, and Gymkhana in charge Mona Agrawal ma'am, and my all friends. Today we all gathered here on the occasion of the retirement ceremony in honor of our beloved principal sir, Dr. S.S. Khadbadi sir. So we are gathered here today to wish them a happy retirement after 24 years of government service.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Our respected principal sir, Dr. S.S. Khadbadi, Mankar sir, Inamdar ma'am, and Mona ma'am, along with all my teachers. सर देखा जाए तो हम फर्स्ट ईयर में अभी आए हैं, बस कुछ ही महीने हुए हैं, बट हमने जो सब देखा है कॉलेज का सिस्टम और जिस प्रकार से कॉलेज चलता है, उस सब में आपकी एक परछाई दिखती है, आपने किए हुए काम का एक प्रतिबिंब दिखता है उसमें. हम जब कॉलेज में आए तो हमें लगा कि लाइक बाकी कॉलेज के कंपैरिजन में हमारा कॉलेज कितना है, कैसा है, बट जब हमने जो वक्त गुजारा है उसमें हमने देखा और हमने जाना कि लाइक हमारा कॉलेज भी बहुत अच्छा है और वो सबकी जो शेयर जाकर चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया, उसके लिए हम सब फर्स्ट ईयर के विद्यार्थी आपका धन्यवाद मानते हैं और आपको एक आगे के जीवन के लिए शुभकामनाएं देते हैं सर। हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट। थैंक यू।
आप खुद, फिर हम उजाला और क्या दे रहे शुभकामनाएं आपको, इसके अलावा और क्या दे रहे शुभकामनाएं आपको, इसके अलावा और क्या है शांत धीर गंभीर जल्दी से, मन इनका है भूसा विशाल, मन वचन कर्म से है यह महान। हम सब स्नेही करते इनका स्वर्णिम प्रसंग पर अभिवादन, सेवानिवृत्ति के अवसर पर शतवंदन शत
Respected Principal Sir and all the dignitaries present here and also all my seniors and colleagues present here. I, Prem Ram, student of B.Pharm first year, has been honored to give a speech on the occasion of retirement ceremony of respected Principal Sir. Before starting my speech, I would like to represent a quote written by Sir Vince Lombardi. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. And this is done by our Principal Sir. He didn't try to be perfect, but he got the excellence and made many things possible for our college. It was not easy to make one of the best pharmacy college from a new pharmacy college, but he did.
तर शारदा देवरे मॅडम यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी माननीय प्राचार्य सर यांना सन्मानपत्र द्या. स्टाफ, टीचिंग, नॉन टीचिंग म्हणजे पूर्ण शासकीय औषध निर्माणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय महाराष्ट्राचे कुटुंबातर्फे आणि त्यात आपल्या टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन, आर ओ ऑफिस, पूर्ण DD यांचा सगळ्यांचा समावेश करून लिहिलेला आहे. ते तुमच्यासमोर वाचणं हा प्रोटोकॉलचा पार्ट आहे आणि तो नंतर मग सर त्यांना सुपूर्द करतील. सन्माननीय स्मृती मार्गदर्शक आणि वंदनीय डॉक्टर सोमशेखर खडबडी सर, आपण 25 जुलै 2000 रोजी शासकीय औषध निर्माणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय अमरावती येथे महाराष्ट्र लोकसेवा आयोगामार्फत प्राचार्य पदावर रुजू होऊन 31 मार्च 2024 रोजी नियत वयोमानानुसार तब्बल 22 वर्षाच्या शासकीय सेवेतून निवृत्त होता. देह विनाशी आहे, राष्ट्रकार्य अविनाशी आहे. ज्ञानदाना इतके पवित्र दुसरे राष्ट्रकार्य काहीही नाही. माणूस जन्माला येतो तो घरात, लहानाचा मोठा होतो तो गावात, तो वाढत राहतो तो समाजात, व समाजाचे परिणत रूप म्हणजे भविष्य साकारणारे विद्यार्थी, विद्यार्थ्यांवर असणारे जीवनमूल्याचे आकाश म्हणजे शैक्षणिक संस्था. या आभाळात कधी धुळवादळ होईल, पालापाचोळा उडेल, कधी ढग जमा होतील, पण शेवटी ते निरभ्र होतील ते आपल्यासारखे योग्य नेतृत्व मिळाल्यामुळे. आपण आपल्या ज्ञान, कौशल्य, कर्तृत्व, नेतृत्व, प्रशासकीय कार्यपद्धती, स्वच्छता व पर्यावरण प्रेम व सर्वच यशात महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका बजावली आहे. फुलाला सुगंध मातीचा, गाईला सुगंध वासराचा, गवयाला सुगंध गाण्याचा, त्याचप्रमाणे शिक्षकांना सुगंध विद्यार्थ्यांचा. औषध निर्माण सारख्या क्लिष्ट अभ्यासक्रमात अनेक विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांच्या इप्सित ध्येयापर्यंत कसं पोहोचवायचं यासाठी सातत्याने झोकून देऊन कार्य करणाऱ्या आदर्श शिक्षकाच्या या प्रवासाला आज स्वल्प विराम मिळत आहे. आई वडिलांनी केलेले संस्कार ही आपल्या आयुष्याची शिदोरी आहे. पत्नी सकल सौभाग्य संपन्न सौ संगीता खडबडी यांची अखंड सावलीसारखी साथ यामुळे आपली यशस्वीता वलयांकित राहिली आहे. आपली कामगिरी उत्कृष्ट, उत्तुंग आणि प्रेरणादायी आहे. आपण झेललेल्या असंख्य लाटा, फडकवलेले पराक्रमाचे ध्वज, पूर्णत्वाला नेलेली स्वप्न, आपण जपलेले मांगल्य, पावित्र्य, तत्व यासह आपल्या सर्व गुण संपन्न आयुष्य वाटेच्या आम्हा सर्वांना सार्थ अभिमान आहे. विद्वान सर्वत्र पूजते हे ज्यांच्या ठाई सुमूर्त झाले आहेत अशा कीर्तिमान व्यक्तिमत्वाच्या सेवापूर्ती दिनी या महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदानाबद्दल आम्ही आपल्याला या मानपत्राद्वारे आपले कौतुक आणि आभार व्यक्त करतो. आपल्या ज्ञानाचा, अनुभवाचा, कौशल्याचा उपयोग यापुढे समाजाला व्हावा या सदिच्छांसह आम्ही सर्व अधिकारी, कर्मचारी, विद्यार्थी आपणास आनंदी, देहपूर्तीमय आणि आरोग्य संपन्न सेवानिवृत्तीच्या भविष्यातील यशासाठी तेजोमय शुभेच्छा देतो. शुभेच्छुक शासकीय औषध निर्माणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय. सन्मानपत्र वाचण्याचा मान मला दिल्याबद्दल मी आपले सर्वांचे
all the staff members, non-teaching staff, invitees and my dear student friends. Actually by hearing all you, I could not able to tolerate myself. Because every time whenever I am leaving, the place which I was attached to, the students or the staff, even I was unable to speak many times. So it is because of the attachment when we are leaving, it quite obviously happens. So Mona Agarwal she has expressed too many things. Then Prachi, Shreya, Tanusri, Monica, Bhagat Kade, Jay Jagdishwar, Avanti, she has expressed very good Sanskrit slok. Then Shubham Kade, Gopade Madam, Sharada Devi, Khan Sahab, Mr. Sinandar, and all my students. See, this each and everybody's life is the most common, whether it is a government or it is a non-government service. Everywhere the retirement is there, whether it is a government or it is a non-government. And especially in the government service, it is much more important because the transfers are more. But unfortunately, in my life, I could not get the transfers mainly because of the inspiration from you people. All the students of 24 batches may be the reason that I did not transfer from this place. As there were so many hurdles when I joined this particular place after selecting through the Maharashtra Public Service Commission, and which you may not believe it, it was an accidental appointment, which I feel, and I am always proud to say that. Because all of my friends used to say me, "अरे क्या पागल आदमी, government नौकरी छोड़ के जा रहे हैं." Twice I